I am a powder horn. I was used in battle and during hunting. My primary use was for storing gunpowder in an easily equipped container. Powder horns were used by every class and age. White men used powder horns because they would carry guns in battle or hunting and needed a way to carry their gunpowder. African Americans didn't have a need for a powder horn because of the slave code, which made it illegal for a slave to own a gun. Another group that didn't have a need for me were women. They didn't use powder horns because they didn't carry firearms. I belong to a poor citizen. People can tell this because I don't have many engravings or pictures on myself. I was made in South Carolina in the 1770s by a powder horn maker a little before the Revolutionary War. Others like me were used all across America and Europe. The person who used me had to be knowledgeable about the use of guns and how to load a gun. If the person was a soldier, they had to be proficient in loading a gun with gunpowder quickly. When I was used, the Revolutionary War was in its beginning and middle stages. Every soldier that carried a gun had a powder horn too for their gunpowder. I have remained the same as time has gone on. Though there are different variations of me, my general shape has not changed. As time has gone on, I haven't been used as much because in the 1800s guns were developed that didn't need gunpowder anymore. Instead, they were loaded with pellets. Today, powder horns are considered antiques because nobody uses them anymore.